only this law is not only for women
But as ADG Neera Rawat mentioned that this is mainly for the women's safety and concern. Das nabe saat dar ki kya hai baat, this type of a slogan. So what do you think?
So what's wrong in it? What's wrong in
It's
it?
all about they are imposing that. Is it all about the women's safety? Watching a phone can make you a victim of rape cases. But in actually 30% of the women in India watch regularly porn. How can you find it?
That's why I'm saying,
Earlier,
sir, that's why I'm saying, sir, we should prevent women from watching porn, sir. It is now it is become addicted.
How
So
can
we
you
can
prevent a woman to watching porn by imposing this law?
if I can block sites.
5 years ago, our country has banned 827 pornographic sites, but we are still watching it by using VPN.
Our government banned partially, not fully. If our government banned fully, so you can't able to watch porn.
We are able to watch porn by using VPNs, I guess. If you wanted to watch, willingly wanted to watch, I guess.
Sir, but sir, you know, sir, our cyber security is so strong and
Actually, we don't have problem of banning porn or pornographic sites. We have problem by breaching the security of the common people. While you are digging into personal life of a
Sir,
common
where I
man.
am digging personal life, sir, I am not.
You are taking data from your personal phone and you are not digging their personal life.
Earlier, what people used to do, it doesn't matter. But what people will use now after the implementation of this law, they will be, they will be under the influence. They will be under the surveillance of those officers who keep watch on these kind of sites. If anybody, if one time it will be pardonable. One time it will be pardonable. But second time, if they start
It
watching
will be
such kind of
fine, but
contents,
at the
action
one
will
time,
be taken.
when they, there is a proper keyboard. When they actually type the keyboard, there is pop-up comes on the phone, victim phone. Always a main.
Yeah, cache memory.
Yeah, for the basis of cache memory, not cache memory. From the pop-up comes up that the warning pop-up, and the data go to that particular. What is the name of the OPM? I don't know, remember the company name. OMS or something which.
Yeah.
So they are still monitoring your activities. So how can you judge on the people what they watch? I watch Ramayana, so I am Lord Ram. Do you think that?
No, I don't.
So-
I
so-
don't. But your
How you- what-
ideology can be
how-
changed. Your ideology can be changed.
Never can. I watch
It
one
can
of
be.
the
It can
not
be.
be.
Sir, I am telling you.
Sir, we are a human, we are not God.
Okay.
But most of the people consider themselves like a god.
Like a god.
Having watched Ramayana, as one of the point you have put,
Yeah.
that having watched the Ramayana, many people, many people start trying to adapt those things which are shown in Ramayana or which are acted by the.
Sir,
Like it happens. It happens.
Yes.
As it is utterly said by Ram that
I haven't found, sir, any.
No, it happens. It happens. Our ancestral, even those who are illiterate, they also adopt those things which they watched in Ramayana.
Sir, I have seen in front of society that who are giving lecture of Ramayana and they are also addicted in such kind of activities.
Actually, they
What
also
can
have
you
private
say?
life, sir.
They hold the day. They hold the day speaking about Lord Ram, about Lord Krishna, and after then they are a victim of rape and such kind of elements. So what do you want to say that?
So what are the things responsible behind it?
I would like to say
Means
that
society-
in a one hand,
means society teach
in a
them-
one hand government
listen,
wants to
society
close
teach
it,
them-
wants to by the government.
Sir.
Let
Society
me
teach
complete.
them.
Let me complete first.
I have
Let me
understood.
complete, sir. In a one hand, government want to close that type of elements. That this is a bad for society.
Yes.
And in a one hand, they are giving license for the red light areas. So what are you thinking about that? If government will not take a strong step, then how can remove that type of vulgarity from society?
Prostitution is not
Manish sir.
prostitution is not legal in our country,
Yeah.
and these red light areas actually they are illegal settlements. They are not.
But government is not, sir, able to remove that.
I tell you, from time to time,
Police
police
raid.
raid these places,
Yes.
and they actually what happens means now they are infamous. they are infamous areas, you know, and that's why actually women flock there. Those who are engaged in flash trades, and the customers go there because they are very well known places that what happens there. But from time to time,
If the government wants to take a step, a strong step, then anybody cannot go over there.
no, then there must be actually stricter
सर
laws.
अगर
There must be
गवर्नमेंट
stricter-
चाहती
for
तो सब
example,
10 पुलिस वाले लगा दे, 20 पुलिस वाले लगा दे, कौन सर जाना चाहेगा? और
यार-
उनको कुछ पूछा ना जाए कि
No, no,
अपने
I
डंडों
mean
से
to
ही
say,
बात
I
की
mean
है।
to say, may I understand the situation. They have actually their rooms, their homes there. You know. Now, imagine the situation that the policeman cannot just go there knocking at each and every door that
We have
what's going on.
yes,
You know.
yes.
So, and it is quite a difficult thing.
Sir, I have seen earlier
We
So
don't
you should
get into
complain,
that.
sir. You should
No,
complain
no,
on this.
I am
don't
just
complain.
contending this argument that the government is giving them license. They are not a licensed settlement there. That is illegal.
They
It is
are
not
illegal.
allowed in our country.
but sir, government not taking a strong
Yeah,
step.
it is different thing, and you know that many times those customers they are
Then one side you
they are-
want to arrest that victim
government is
who
taking
are
care of
who
it.
are watching
3 days back, what happened in Riva? It was about city Kotwali. You know, 3 girls were caught by the police, and they were they were indulged in
Prostitution.
Actually,
They were
I am
indulged in
telling
prostitution and-
you, this is not the story you search, and you must find the countries banning the pornography. But the fact is that the spike in the demand actually for pornography has increased in these countries, and the countries which have banned porn are the countries where people actually watch porn the most. This is actually an irony, and the fact is that the countries where these things are banned or under some strict rules, people just go around the laws and find a way to just have some kind of content. I need to tell you that this is not the cyber failure of our country.
Sir, if we
मतलब ये हमारी cyber failure नहीं है.
I want to put example,
in
sir.
in the technologically advanced country where pornography is
Indian
banned,
economy.
people actually find out the ways
Yes,
to watch the
sir,
content.
even
I
Amazon-
mean to say this is the matter of actually preference of the people and those people who are actually so puritan and so principled in their approach and want to abstain from watching porns. Then this is a matter of actually self-beingness that how they want the things.
Sir, actually, sir, what happens, sir? Jeff Bezos, sir, you know, sir. Jeff Bezos, sir, bypass the sir Indian, sir, you know, sir, saving law.
We are dragging this.
So it means sir, you can bypass, sir. What is the problem, sir?
Okay.
भाई लोग
Come on.
It's a not a matter of bypass, sir. On one hand, you want to remove such kind of activities from in front of society because your thinking is that these type contents make me addicted and they are personal, sir. Serve the vulgarity in front of society. Then you have to take a strong step. Those areas they are.
Yes, you want to
Sir.
close proselytization centers.
Sir, listen, sir.
Yes,
Sir, Manish, sir. Sir, it is a
prostitution centers.
Sir, it is a initial process and after some time, sir, I will take 100% take, sir, you know, sir, strong step, sir. What is the problem, sir?
कितना टाइम लेंगे सर?
2 or 3 years, sir.
कितना
At
70
least-
साल तो हो गए।
At least 2 or 3 years, at least 2 or 4 years, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Anu sir is saying, sir.
That is always a weak argument.
Manish, sir.
People should take it positively, sir.
Anu sir is saying,
I
sir.
mean to say, you saying that the government machinery, our administrative machinery is not working well.
Yeah.
Then banning is the right option. I don't think this is the right argument here. I would like to ask you that means so many porn watchers have admitted this fact that it is a kind of actually outlet of their emotions. It works an outlet for their emotions. And if they have any kind of emotional disturbance and they have some curiosity, and in our India, you know that sex is considered a taboo.
Yeah.
So what happens is that people, especially females, fear discussing this subject so with their peers, with their teachers, with their parents, you know, sex education by our traditional society has not been given a green light, and under this whole obscurity, you know, that most of teenagers, adults, and they find themselves working with no clues. So you know that these pornography sites, whatever we are talking about, means you know that it is a kind of means a way to express their feelings, a way to know the things. So they go through them, and you know that during the lockdown, what happened is that when the children have time, sufficient time in their hand, and even I am talking about adults and all the people, boys, girls, so they got addicted. Yeah, surely it is a problematic when we talk about children. But you know that there must be the proper guidance of the parents, proper supervision of the parents. They need to find out the history. But what about the adults actually? Means those who are already mature, those who are engaged in such kind of physical intimacy, and means preventing them. And you know that the problem is that you just ban all the prostitution centers, you ban even the watching the pornography. So I want to say that those people who are curious, who want to know, means they must be actually groping in the dark. Then it must be even bigger problem. Now they find the way, as my point is, that they have the gratification with these pornographic sites. But when we just keep strict impositions on these actually preference of people, so there must be even a clear picture. They must be actually bent on implementing all these things in practice, and then it must actually lead towards the spike in the such crimes.
Sir,
You know.
that's why, sir, right now, sir, only two, sir, states implementing this type of, sir, steps, sir. And after that, if it will, sir,
Which is
Sir, without
sir, one is, means, sir, they are, ban the porno content, sir, pornographic
which
content.
states? I'm talking
Maharashtra and, sir, UP, sir, right now UP government. And after 2 or 3 years, if, sir, it will, sir, अच्छा result देगा, sir, पूरे India, sir, it will implement all India,
The
sir.
problem is actually in Maharashtra. That I am of this opinion. Means those girls, women, and flash trade should be allowed. It should be legalized. Personally, I think so. People should have easy availability of sex. Means these sexual crimes don't take place actually, don't take place in the presence of sexual availability. Such kind of crimes take place in the absence of these. I am going to say that see the example of Western countries where sexual activities are as common as eating and drinking. I mean to tell you, there is nothing any stigma attached to it, and girls, women who are engaged in flash trades, and even boys, so they just don't actually moralize the whole concept that it is a big deal to means they must be morally boycotted, and they must be judged, their character must be judged. So many things are. But in our country, sex is still a taboo, and sex education is not free.
But sir,
provided
if
to
we
people.
talk about the adults as you were talking about, so what happens with the passage of time? People
I
learn
meant to say,
everything.
just,
They can.
just a minute, I meant to say, I don't know about all of you, but ultimately the activities which we have to engage in, I meant to say that if it had been morally wrong, then you all would not have got engaged in such kind of activities. It is not morally wrong. It is actually one of the physical traits of people. Physical intimacy is the ornament of human being. There is actually nothing stigmatization attached to it. But the fact is that you all have to, if नैतिक रूप से गलत होता तो आगे चल के आप सब पेरेंट्स बनोगे, आप सब बड़े बनोगे, क्यों करते, है ना? द पॉइंट इज एंड watching such kind of porn, sir,
Sir, it
doesn't trigger your mind
It is taught, sir. It is taught, or somewhere we observe, but we don't. We hardly, watch.
It is taught. Where is taught?
It is like, sir. By friend we come to know, or by sometimes our friends, sir. Sometimes our friends share, or sometimes we go through the books, and sometimes we, we observe.
No,
from
I
our
mean,
society.
isn't it hypocrisy? Isn't it ostentation?
This
You
is not
gather
so, sir.
information from all. You
That is
you
fine.
don't have
But
problem
we don't want
with the
to-
writing
sir,
material,
but
but
we-
you have problem watching it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. If I am
Sir,
saying that-
This,
If we watch some or other, there be.
biological changes are natural.
Yes.
There is not a very big deal about it. But you need to know that why these biological changes happen, and what is actually a good touch, a bad touch,
Yeah.
and you know that several sensible things are attached to it.
And how-
But you are bypassing them. You are not actually taking the deeper look into all these things.
Yeah.
Come on, Tanya, your question.
How to handle